Hey friends, welcome to another video. So this video is about the Rayban Meta display glasses. I have been using these glasses for the last 4 to 5 weeks, and I would like to share my honest opinion about these glasses. Welcome to another video. These glasses were introduced in 2025 last quarter. These are one of the most exciting tech innovations of the recent times. The reason being, it has a built-in display, and that display is crystal clear. It has the full color scheme, and you can use most of your applications that you use in your mobile phones. Let me share my honest opinion about these glasses. So I have the black version here. This is a large size glass. This is right now available only in the United States, and unfortunately it is not yet launched anywhere in the world. It was communicated by Meta earlier that it will come to Europe in the first half of 2026, and later Meta has confirmed that they have paused the international launch of these glasses. So it's not going to come to any other part of the world anytime soon. And even within the United States, these glasses are available on a very limited scale. It costs around 799 US dollars plus taxes. Of course, it varies depending upon the state that you are in. And obviously when it launches in Europe and UK or in any other part of the world, the prices comparatively is going to go higher. That is for sure. Even though the display glasses are available, but none of them come anywhere closer to these glasses of Meta. So this has a full color screen display, and the display is available only on your right lens. Initially you will have to get used to it, right? So that's one of my feedback here. So as the display is only available in one of the lenses, so initially you might feel a little discomfort, but over the period of time you will get fully used to it. So going through the applications, reading the text, navigating through different menus, it's not at all a problem. Now you can connect to your WhatsApp, you can connect to Instagram. In Instagram you can also go through the reels and contact people, message people. You can see the reels sent by the people. Initially when the glasses were introduced, you were not able to browse through the reels. You were able to only go through the reels if somebody is sending it to you to your Instagram as an Instagram message, right? But now you can fully go through the reels, so you can scroll through your reels through the glasses. The most innovative or the most exciting feature about these glasses are that nobody will know that you're looking at a screen right now. So I have fully transparent glasses on my face, but at the same time I am browsing through different applications, just like I'm browsing through a mobile application or mobile phone or a tablet, right? So I can browse through different applications. Nobody will have a clue about it unless they know these glasses are having the display. So that's the most exciting part about these glasses. And the other exciting part about these glasses are designed to communicate in a different way. It picks up your signals from your brain through a neural band, and you can communicate to these glasses using different hand gestures. Right now the different hand gestures are, you can use your index finger and thumb and just one click. So that's for selecting some option on your menu. And if you wanted to go back, again index finger and the middle finger, just one click. So that's for going back. If you wanted to increase the volume, for instance, just like you turn the knob of a tape recorder, for instance, you can pinch this way and it increases the volume, and you can do it the other way around to reduce the volume. Other options are like, if you are a content creator, one of the most exciting thing that I could see here is it has an option for teleprompt. Teleprompt means you have a screen right now in front of your eyes, and you can prepare your script and copy and paste it on this teleprompter, right? And that text will appear right in front of your eyes, and you can see this prompt, you can get the hint, and you can talk about those. and that's pretty amazing. That I found it most useful for the content creators. So that's teleprompt. Another exciting feature is subtitles. I like watching movies with subtitles. That gives me a little bit of easiness while following the conversations and so on. These glasses comes up with an option called captions. So you can enable these captions. These are live captions, means if you're looking at somebody and if that person is speaking, then you get live subtitles just in front of your eyes, and it works all the time, flawless, 100% flawless. So from my experience of using it for the last few weeks, I mean, absolutely amazing. And another option is you have translations available, live translations available. Other exciting features are you can capture the photos and videos, of course, in the non-display glasses as well. You were able to record the videos and take the photos, but you had no clue about what you're recording. Here you get a viewfinder where you have a screen where it shows what you're capturing, and you can also zoom in and zoom out of it. Right. Other options are like you can connect to Amazon Music or regular applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, phone calls, messages, Facebook Messenger, photos, calendar, maps. All of that is pretty much available. The maps, these are not Google Maps. Meta has came up with their own maps, and right now the navigation is only available in a few cities in the United States. I'm right now in Germany and I cannot use the maps. And one other limitation is that even in United States it is available only for walking or pedestrians, right? Of course, the other options are like you can connect to Spotify Music, Amazon Music. And now another exciting aspect for the display glass holders are that Meta is opening up glasses for developers. They have recently launched the SDKs for the mobile developers. Of course, there is no app store for Meta display glasses, and the developer options are made available by Meta. The developers are going crazy. I have seen the applications like you look at the skies, and if there is an aircraft moving around, and you can get that information about which aircraft it is, and I mean from where it is going and from where it is coming from, and those kind of information. I don't know the exact use case for those kind of applications, but these are the crazy thoughts of people that those are going to come to the Rayban Meta display glasses. In fact, there is already a Reddit page where people have posted how you can install an YouTube application on the Rayban Meta display glasses, right? These are, of course, the developer versions, not official applications. Of course, Meta will release the App Store eventually for the Rayban Meta display glasses, and it may take a bit time. It's only the matter of time. So there is going to be an App Store pretty soon, not in weeks, maybe in a few months time, right? So App Store, once it comes, then the productivity of these glasses will go up. Not even Apple or Google is going to come up with display glasses for the next 2 years. So that's a huge advantage for Meta. And if Meta is able to refine these glasses with probably in second generation, maybe later in 2026 or maybe in early 2027, that will give them even further market space in this domain. So pretty amazing. These are the most innovative and exciting products that I have seen in the recent times. Not just because it has a neural band integrated to it, and it has a transparent glass with a fully functional and full color display in it, and you get a lot of productivity stuffs surprisingly from Meta added to it. So I'm pretty happy about my usage of the Rayban Meta display glasses for the last few weeks, and I'm quite excited about the future ahead in using these glasses, and let's see how this goes further. And if I wanted to talk about the slight negatives, I can see not a big deal for these sort of glasses. You can see the bulkiness of these frames, and it doesn't cause any problem for using it for a long term. And the thickness of the glasses is also a little higher when comparing to the non-display glasses. The other negatives, of course, I would say the lack of app store for now. It is getting resolved. It will get resolved. Not it has got resolved. It hasn't got resolved yet. It will get resolved in the future. But right now, the apps are limited. And the other negative can be it's a first generation product. It's a first form factor of this type. So the first generation products are not always perfect. So this glass is also not perfect, of course. And of course, this is the future, right? Definitely, this is the future. And I can see maybe in another 10 years time, you will not have a mobile phone with you. Right now, you cannot insert any SIM card or an even eSIM card on these glasses yet. You don't have that capability yet. But maybe tomorrow, few years down the line, you can put your phone in your home. Maybe you won't even need your phone, right? So this is the first glimpse of the future. This is how the future would look like maybe in few years down the line. Right now, I would still need my phone to make these glasses work, but after a few years, you will not need it for sure. There will be provisions for you to insert your eSIM on these glasses, and yeah, those are the road ahead. So this is definitely the glimpse of the future. For sure, and the future is quite exciting for these sort of products, and this domain is now catching up. And Google has tried 10 years, 12 years before, and they have failed. But this time, it feels like more and more companies are focusing on it. These are amazing pair of glasses, and if you get a chance to grab hold on of these pair of glasses, go ahead without a doubt. $799 is not too much, but I mean, it is very difficult to get these products in other parts of the world, and especially in Europe. I have seen people, I mean, in eBay, for instance. I bought this from eBay. Luckily, that guy did not charge me too much, actually, but I have seen the product has been listed for like $2,000, 2,000 euros, and so on, which is like almost 3 times of the price introduced by Meta. So if you get a chance, my advice is go ahead and grab one of these pairs. You will not be disappointed. And I am waiting for the second phase or the second generation of these products. And I would say if there is a display glasses that comes up with 2 displays, means displays in both the lenses, that would be another milestone for Meta. I'm eagerly waiting for it. All right, fantastic. I'm glad to share about my views about using my Rayban Meta display glasses for the last few weeks. And I will be posting these sort of, I mean, different innovative products, but at the same time, I don't want to post any product, and I wanted to share my honest opinion about lifestyle gadgets that I use it on a day-to-day basis. So please subscribe to my channel and support this channel. Thank you so much, team, for watching this video, and please do subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting updates from the gadgets and the technology world, and even from my lifestyle point of view. Thank you so much, and have a great day ahead.